Transforming tomorrow, today. Welcome to Barola Technologies, where education meets innovation. Established in 2010, we have been at the forefront of experiential research and training, providing students with experiential experience in emerging technologies and industries with experiential research on emerging technologies. Our team of experienced engineers and in-house research and development team work together to create a curriculum that not only trains students in the latest technologies but also conducts cutting-edge research in the field. With over 46,200 student innovators trained and over 3,000 working projects and concepts guided, we have a proven track record. At Barola, we believe that education and research go hand in hand. That's why we strive to provide our students with a learning experience that is not only hands-on and engaging, but also rooted in the latest research and development in the field. On the other hand, our product development team work with various industries in catering to their POC requirements. Whether you are a student looking to build your skills, ideate a project, or an organization looking to enhance your product development capabilities, we are here to help. Barola, a place for a high-quality, practical, and technology-driven training and research experience. Thank you for your time. Transforming tomorrow, today.